Magnesium, methyl magnesium bromide is there. So this magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide, when it is react with the Grignard reagent, then how the addition takes place. Let us see the reaction. When we consider C double bond O, you can see that C double bond O, cyanogen, C double bond O, there is electronegativity difference in carbon and oxygen. So this double bond, pi electron is shifted towards more cyanogen, more electronegative oxygen atom. So see, this is the way we can show that. What is pi electron shifted to oxygen atom, and as a result, oxygen gain a partial negative charge, carbon gain a partial positive charge. Similarly, Grignard reagent again undergoes some sort of cleavage, like this. And this part addition reaction takes place to this substrate. Magnesium, this is considered as positive part, and CH3 is considered as negative part. Now add positive part to negative part, this negative part to positive part. So the addition product is HCOMgBr. Here we have CH3 and here we have H. This is the addition product. Now see what happened after the formation of addition product. This addition product of hydrolysis, H2O means reaction with water. H2O means HOH. Here again, splitting takes place. H is added to this side, OH is added to this side. Now you can write the product in this way. See, CH3, CH3, CH2OH plus byproduct is MgOH. This is the reaction mechanism, and this is the way reaction takes place. So, and the conclusion is methanol, when reacts with Grignard reagent, we get a primary alcohol. So, this is the conversion also. How will you convert methanol into ethanol? Okay, this is a conversion. We can write the reaction also. How will you convert methanol into ethanol? How will you convert methanol into ethanol? So you can write this question in the margin, then you can write the equation. Okay. So this is the first stage, that means addition of methanol. Okay. Now let us think about the next step. Next step means when we add Grignard reagent to any other aldehyde. Any other aldehyde means other than methanol. You can add Grignard reagent to any other aldehyde like ethanol, propanol, butanol, and all. So here I will take the second member of the homologous series, that is ethanol. I think you have written this and written. Chat box में लिख लो, कोई भी बच्चे, दो बच्चे लिख लो.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, very good Ayush. जब तक तुम लोग नहीं लिखते, very good बच्चों. So let us think about. I will take ethanol now. Ethanol, you know the formula CH3COOH. This is ethanol. That means CH3CHO. Now, Grignard reagent, I will take the same Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. This is very convenient, that's why otherwise you can keep ethyl also, propyl also, any alkyl group you can have. Now, mechanism is same. See the mechanism. This electron shifting is there, partial negative, partial positive, breaking is here, positive, negative. Now this one is added to this part, so we have CS3, CO, and GBr, and here we have CS3, and here we have H. And the next step is hydrolysis. When water is added, similar type. Here, cleavage H, OH. Now you can write the product CH3, CH3, CHOH, and CH3. My product is same MgOH, Br. Now I will conclude the reaction. How can you write the conclusion? Very simple. All you can simply write aldehydes other than methanol reacts with the Grignard reagent resulting a secondary alcohol. Look at this product. This is the functional group of secondary alcohol. Maybe you can remember this. CHO is the functional group of secondary alcohol. Previous case, what is the resulting product? Primary alcohol, CH2OH. And in this case, it is CHOH. CHOH is secondary alcohol. So we can conclude this: aldehydes except methanol reacts with the Grignard reagent resulting a secondary alcohol. This is the conclusion of second part. Okay. Now let us move to the third part of the same reaction, Grignard reagent addition. Okay. And in the third part, we are taking an example from a ketone, because we are talking of aldehydes and ketone and their addition reaction. So here we have taken aldehydes in two categories. One category methanol only, second category other than methanol, all other aldehydes. So the resulting product is a secondary alcohol. Now the last part is that of a ketone. Ketone, simplest member of ketone family we can take. Okay. So I hope you have completed this reaction. Completed. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now we will. Very good. Very good. Oh, that's all. Now let us move to propanol. CS3, C, double bond, B, okay. This is the simplest member of ketone family, CH3COCH3 acetone. Acetone has the IUPAC name propan-2-one. Propan-2-one. Again, we can take the same Grignard reagent. Which Grignard reagent? CH3 MgBr. It is only for convenience. Okay, otherwise there is no such rule. Only methyl is taken. You can take ethyl also. Now, first addition product, same mechanism. Maybe now you are in a position to write the equation yourself. Okay, you can make a trial. No harm. Here positive part and here negative part. अपने आप लिख लीजिए. Then you can tally with the correct answer. Okay. So let us have an experience. CS3 CONGBr. Here we have CS3 and here we have CS3. And the next step is hydrolysis. Addition of water. H, OH. Now read the product. CS3 COH. CS3 plus MgOH Br. Look at the product. What is the speciality of the product? The product is a tertiary alcohol where the functional group is COH. So it is a tertiary alcohol. We can say the IUPAC name also. What is the IUPAC name? This is the longest chain. So we can number the carbon 1, 2, 3. This is a substituent. And the name of the compound is 2-methyl propan-2-ol. 2-methyl propan-2-ol. 2-ol. 2-methyl propan-2-ol. This is the reaction product. Now you can write the mechanism or mechanism of conversion. You can write the question. How will you convert propan-2-on into 2-methyl propan-2-ol? Okay. How will you convert propan-2-on ketone into 2-methyl propan-2-ol? So this is the answer of the question, and it is very important for conversion. Okay, clear? So this is all about addition with the Grignard reagent. Okay, you write the equation, then only you can remember. Now the next reaction, again it is coming under the same heading, nucleophilic addition, and here we will add alcohol. We can write addition of alcohol. I hope टैली करके तुम्हारा आंसर देख लिया होगा पीटर, देख लिया, सही है बच्चों? गुड, वेरी गुड एंड वेरी गुड. और 2-3 बच्चे और बताओ. गोविंद?
यस मैम.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, सही है. हाँ, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड. Now we will discuss addition with the alcohol. लिख लो. And this reaction is also very important because the product has a very different name. So that's why it is important. Okay. First of all, let us think about how alcohol is added to an aldehyde. Then we will discuss how a ketone is added to alcohol. Okay. So let us start with aldehyde. R, C, double bond H. This is aldehyde general formula. And here we have a reversible reaction. You can write reversible. Here we can add an alcohol R-OH. Why it is R-? It is only to differentiate two R's. One R from aldehyde, another R from alcohol. That's all. Okay. Maybe they will be same also. Maybe they will be different. Okay. Anyway, we will only give the different representation so that you can identify. Okay. And this reaction takes place in presence of HCl gas, hydrogen chloride gas. Okay. This is the first step of the reaction. Now let us see what is the product obtained. Now let us think about R, C, OR dash, OH, H. This is the first product obtained. Okay, this is the first product. Take it like this. How the reaction takes place? If you are interested, I will tell you. Okay. This double bond of pi electron shifted to oxygen, partial negative, partial positive. Alcohol is written this way: H plus RO minus. See, then H plus is added to there, this oxygen, and RO, it is added to this carbon. So we got this one COH and COR dash. Okay, this product has a very unique name, hemiacetal. It has the name hemiacetal, very important. And this is not the end of the reaction. The reaction continues with the addition of one more molecule of alcohol. Again, it is a reversible reaction. We can add here R-OH. Same HCl gas is also there, is in the reaction medium. Here again reaction takes place. Okay, and here we get the product. Last product R, C, O R dash, O R dash, and H. And this product is known under the name acetal. Acetal is obtained. You know how the reaction takes place? Very simple. Look here. This OH and R dash OH. Okay. In between this, one water molecule is eliminated like this. And we get the byproduct H2O. One water molecule is eliminated, OR dash is attached to this carbon. This is the mechanism. Simple mechanism. Try to understand, and you can note it in your copy also. Okay, because when you learn in this way, you never forget. So here you can write this is the way reaction takes place. And here the first product is heavy acetal, and the second product and the last product is acetal. So we can conclude the reaction in this way. When aldehyde reacts with the alcohol, first we get a product heavy acetal, and the last product is acetal along with water molecule as the byproduct. So this is the conclusion of the reaction. Got it? This is the story regarding aldehyde. Now let us move to the next carbonyl compound, that is ketone. Okay, ketone, there is only single product obtained. Condition is same. One difference is that in the case of ketone, instead of a monohydric alcohol, we have to use a dihydric alcohol, because in ketone there is no such a hydrogen atom which accelerate the compound. So here we have two alkyl group. Now I will write it on the board so that it will be clear for you. So you can write simultaneously O R R C double bond O. This is ketone. Okay, got it? This is ketone. Now let us write the name of alcohol. Formula. Okay. Plus a dihydric alcohol means alcohol with two OH group. Okay. OH CH2. So I will write little bit different way, but the compound is same. In order to understand the formation of product, this is the best way. Okay, you try. So, can you say the name of this alcohol? CH2OH, CH2OH. What is the name of this reagent? Anyone? CH2OH, CH2OH. It is a dihydric alcohol. What is the common name or any other name? Common name or IUPAC name? देखते हैं कौन बच्चे पहले बताएंगे.
Glycol.
It is glycol. किसने बोला? दिख नहीं रहे थे.
Govind.
Govind. Very good, very good. It is called ethylene glycol, or it has the IUPAC name ethane 1,2-diol, because it contains two OH group. So nomenclature is little different. Look how the product is obtained. Very interesting. This oxygen atom and this hydrogen atoms combine together. In fact, this is not the exact way, but in order to understand the formation of product, you can apply this logic. Okay? In this way, water gets eliminated. Now we add these two like this. Here it is again reversible reaction. Here we have dry HCl gas. Dry HCl gas is there, and along with that we have dilute HCl in order to accelerate the reaction. Now I will write the product here only so that you can see it. RRC, and here one bond forming here. Here we have which atom? Oxygen atom. Then CH2, CH2. Here we have second oxygen atom, and here we have. This is the product form and it is a cyclic compound and it is known under the name ketal. Ketal. Unique name है ना? Unique, very unique name. Why is it called ketal? Because it is formed from a ketone. Simple. Okay, so this is the way addition reaction takes place with the ketones. So in the case of aldehyde, we have to use a monohydric alcohol, and in the case of a ketone, we have to use a dihydric alcohol. Moreover, when we add monohydric alcohol to aldehyde, reaction takes place in two steps. Through the formation of the intermediate product hemiacetal, we get the final product acetal. But in the case of ketone, we need to use a dihydric alcohol. It takes place in single step, and the acceleration of the reaction dilute HCl will be there in the medium, and we get the last product ketal. So this is all about addition with the alcohol. Very, very important. Now, next addition, last addition reaction. Addition reaction of ammonia and its derivatives. Right. I think this is number 5. Isn't it? It's number 5, correct. Number 5, first is hydrogen cyanide, second is sodium hydrogen sulfide, third is Grignard reagent, fourth is alcohol, and the fifth one is addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. Okay, ammonia and its derivatives. First, I will write a general equation. Then I will write the specific examples. Okay, general equation and specific example. Got it? So it is not very difficult, simple. But here you need to learn some names of reagent and the product. It is totally different. Okay. First, I will write the general example. C double bond O. Okay, so this is the common group, carbonyl group. Then we add ammonia and its derivative. What is ammonia? NH3. So here I will take NH2 only. One H is replaced by a common group Z. What is Z? I will tell you later. Okay. C double bond O. NH2 Z. This is the representation of derivatives of ammonia. Derivatives of ammonia are generally known under the name amines. But here we are using it Z. Z is representing different group. Which are the group? I will tell you. Now how the reaction takes place? See, here also I will show you diagrammatic way so that it is clear to you. See that this oxygen move along with this hydrogen, and there is no other change. The double bond is retained and it is bonded to nitrogen. So we get the model C double bond N Z and the hydrogen is metal. This is the first step of the story. Okay. Now let us see what do you mean by Z. Which are the possible groups? Okay. So let me start from hydrogen. If Z is hydrogen, then you can see instead of hydrogen, instead of Z, if H is coming, what is the name of the reagent? Ammonia, right? So I will write it down. C double bond O plus H2N. अमोनिया के लिए मैं NH3 नहीं लिख रही हूँ. Z replace करके H को लिखना है मुझे. See, this is the NH. And what is the product of the same mechanism? वाटर इज एलिमिनेटेड, तो हमें मिलेगा सी डबल बॉन्ड एन एच। कोई भी बच्चों को याद है इसका एक नाम, CONH कंपाउंड का एक नाम है, बताओ एनीवन? पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा था ये, किसी को याद
मैम
है?
एडिनिन।
इमीन्स, इमीन, इमीन, इमली नहीं, इमीन्स, इमीन। याद है वो स्टीफन रिएक्शन पढ़ा था, रोसेनमैन रिडक्शन रिएक्शन पढ़ा था, उसके बाद पढ़ा था ये डाइबल H के पहले वो ये, ठीक है, इमीन्स। सी दैट रिएजेंट का नाम आ गया अमोनिया, प्रोडक्ट का नाम आ गया इमीन। आगे एक एग्जांपल, ठीक है, पहले एग्जांपल हो गया। नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ Z I will write OH। if Z is OH, अब तुम लोग खुद बना लो, प्रोडक्ट बना लो, अपना इक्वेशन लिखो, C डबल बॉन्ड O H2 प्लस H2N, Z के जगह में क्या आएगा OH, ठीक है। तो देखो what is this reagent? This reagent is NH2OH. What is the name of the reagent? It is, I have already told you, NH2 means what? Amine, amines. Other than amine, which is special in this reagent? OH. Correct? So the name of the reagent is hydroxylamine. Right? हाइड्रोक्सिलअमीन रिटर्न। अब इसकी प्रोडक्ट लिख ले, सारे बच्चे लिख लो, वाटर गेट्स एलिमिनेटेड, सेम प्रोसेस, देयर इज नो अदर चेंज। C double bond N OH and the name of the product is oxime, OXIME, okay, OXIME, OXIME is oxide। अब ये आप लोग पहले लिख लो, उसके बाद में कंटिन्यू करूंगी बिकॉज आई नीड मोर स्पेस, ठीक है। मैं रब करती हूँ पहले वाला दो, ठीक है। अब if Z is replaced by NH2 group, if Z is NH2, देखो C डबल बॉन्ड O प्लस, पहले NH2 है, Z की जगह में भी NH2 आ गया, और this reagent has the name hydrazine। नाम आपको पढ़ना ही है, ठीक है। और प्रोडक्ट देख, OH2 वाटर gets eliminated and C डबल बॉन्ड O, इसी की जगह में N आएगा and the product is hydrazone, hydrazone। इस तरह से बहुत अलग अलग ग्रुप Z की जगह में आएगा, ओके। If it is replaced by NHC6H5, we have the reagent phenylhydrazine, phenyl C6H5, okay। So these are some examples, so try to learn all this. Some reactions you learn in practical also, okay। So these are some examples, 3 examples we have discussed, other examples are also there. So I will just write the other example reagent, name of the reagent and the name of the product, okay, that you can do yourself, fill it yourself, fill the rest of the part yourself, because it is a practice. If Z is NHC6H5, the name of the reagent is phenylhydrazine, ये आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। And the product has the name phenylhydrazine। Understood? Z की जगह में NHC6H5 आ गया, और reagent का नाम आएगा फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड, ये प्रोडक्ट का नाम है फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड। मैं इधर ऊपर लिखती हूँ reagent, name of the reagent फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड, name of the product फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड। ठीक है, ये आपको लिखना है, 3 इक्वेशन में आपके लिए दे रहे हैं। ठीक है, सेकेंड रिएजेंट में एक एरोमेटिक रिंग है, ये अपन को प्रैक्टिकल में करना है। ठीक है, बट आई राइट इट डाउन कि Z की जगह में अगर एक रिंग आ गई, इधर आएगा NH, Z की जगह में NH और ये बेंजीन रिंग NO2N और इसके नाम आएगा 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड, 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो फिनाइल हाइड्रोक्साइड। अभी मैं आपको एक चैलेंज दे रही हूँ। ओके, एनीवन कैन, अभी एक लॉजिक लगा के एनीवन कैन से द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। पहले के एग्जांपल से इसकी प्रोडक्ट का नाम बताओ। एनीवन, if you are attentive you can say the name of the product. Anyone can say what is the name of the product without the help of book. कोई बता सकते हो?
मैम लास्ट में मैम फिनाइल हाइड्रोजोन आ जाएगा,
जोन आ जाएगा, तो पूरा नाम बताओ आयुष।
मैम 2,4 भी आ जाएगा।
4 डाइनाइट्रो फिनाइल हाइड्रोजोन।
वेरी गुड, क्लैपिंग फॉर यू आयुष, वेरी गुड। गोविंद तुम्हारे भी बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड। इस तरह से करना है, इस तरह से लर्न करना है। सो प्रोडक्ट का नाम 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो फिनाइल हाइड्रोजोन। और लास्ट एक और है, इफ Z की जगह में NHCONH2 आएगा, NHCONH2। नेम ऑफ द रिएजेंट इज सेमी कार्बासाइड, सेमी कार्बासाइड। अब प्रोडक्ट का नाम बताओ, सही है, बोल एनीवन। प्रोडक्ट का नाम ट्राई करके बताओ, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, एनीवन। नेम ऑफ द रिएजेंट सेमी कार्बासाइड, नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, रिएजेंट ये है, प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, जस्ट गेस कर, डू इट। एक चांस तो लेना पड़ेगा ना, मेक इट ट्रायल। एनीवन कैन से द नेम, कोशिश करो। एनीवन, आयुष ट्राई करके बताओ।
मैम सेमी कार्बोजोल,
वेरी गुड, सेमी कार्बोजोल। आपको ये पढ़ना ही है, तो ये लॉजिक भी आपको लर्न करना है। सो द नेम ऑफ रिएजेंट प्रोडक्ट, ये आपको पढ़ना है। ये 3 इक्वेशन में आपके लिए दे रहे हो, यू हैव टू डू इट टुडे इटसेल्फ। लिखना है पूरी इक्वेशन, 3 इक्वेशन खुद लिख लो, सो यू नेवर फॉरगेट इट। Okay, so this is called about addition reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. Now we will discuss reduction reaction, and it is a name reaction also. Okay. Reduction you can write main heading, effective reaction, reduction. That means first nucleophilic addition, over. Second is reduction. A reduction also we will discuss in 2 different ways. Reduction. Okay. First of all, reduction to corresponding alcohol. Because A. Reduction to corresponding alcohol. Okay, generalize the reaction. So in this case, first thing is you need to remember possible reducing agents. Which are the reducing agents we can use for this purpose, where aldehydes and ketones converted into corresponding alcohol. Okay, and the reducing agents are lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride NaBHO. Okay, or if these two are not available, you can do simple catalytic hydrogenation. What do you mean catalytic hydrogenation? We can split it into two. Hydrogenation in presence of catalyst. What is hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen. So simply we can write H2 in presence of palladium, platinum or nickel. Hydrogen, addition of hydrogen in presence of palladium, platinum or nickel. This is simply known as hydrogenation, catalytic hydrogenation. Now let us make a trial what happened to aldehyde and what happened to ketone. Okay, I hope you have completed this. I will not write the reducing agent again along with the other. Okay, first we will take aldehyde, RCHO. Generally, it gets converted into primary alcohol. It is on oxidation with lithium. I am using one reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, so we get RCH2OH. That means primary alcohol. Similarly, ketones are C-double-bond-O-R. Ketones on oxidation under drastic condition, we get RCHOH. And this is secondary alcohol. So we can generalize, see that only functional group has changed. CHO changed to CH2OH. Similarly, CO of ketone changes into secondary alcoholic functional group. So we can generalize in this way. Primary alcohol, aldehydes on oxidation we get primary aldehydes on reduction we get primary alcohol, and ketones on reduction we will get secondary alcohol. Okay, so this is the topic, last topic. We will continue in the next class. Okay,
मैम
हाँ आयुष
मैम ये मैम इसकी जगह मैम और कुछ